Activision Blizzard. Let me know, guys, if you have been looking for Activision Blizzard. And I'm going to be very honest. After this one, we're going to take a look at Square. And after Square, we're going to take a look at... So let's go ahead and look at Activision Blizzard. What happened today with it? Oh, Activision Blizzard EPS beats by 0.28. Beats on revenue.
What?
Yes, Activision Blizzard second quarter non-GAAP EPS of 0.97 beats by 0.28. GAAP EPS of 0.75 beats by 0.16. Revenue of $2 billion beats by $380 million. Second quarter overall monthly active users were 428 million. Activision 125 and Blizzard 32, King Digital 271. Wow. And guys, the shares are up 1.79%. And to continue with this flow, we're going to go with Activision Blizzard negative 2.1% after strong second quarter beat of bid guidance.
What?
Yes. Activision Blizzard is down 2.1% after hours following its beat on top and bottom lines and above consensus bookings guidance in the second quarter earnings. Engagement hit a record and bookings grew nearly 72% and blew away estimates $2.08 billion versus the $1.7 billion expected. The non-GAAP operating margin was 42%. The second quarter operating cash flow was $768 million. Among detailed highlights, Call of Duty in-game net bookings more than doubled from last quarter and came to nearly 5 times last year's quarterly total. And COD Mobile saw strong sequential growth in engagement and player investment. It's expecting that even as pandemic tailwinds moderate, it can build on a new higher base. In the second half of the year, we expect to launch major new content into key franchises with meaningful larger audiences that we have seen previously, creating the opportunity for strong financial performance. For the third quarter, it's guiding to bookings of $1.65 billion. For the full year, it sees bookings of $7.62 billion. And let's take a look at ATVI. Why not? Woo! $86.45. Oh my goodness, going to our resistance level. But let me take a look over here at the current price, my friends. $84.51. It is down a little bit after hours, but you know what? I don't give a whoop. I think that this one already has done our profit. I am enjoying the profit that I've made. I think that I'm going to wait for this one to see if it will break the resistance. And otherwise, getting hit on my stop loss will be fine. I'm very happy with what I've done. And just waiting for that next opportunity. And guys, if you haven't seen the video about support and resistance, check out the link in the description. We talk about a little bit of structure. And guys, I need to do those videos about the trend line. Yes. Or about TradingView.com, the platform. And I got to do the Amazon giveaway. So you got to give me a little bit of patience and we will get there, my friends. Just like taking a look at this next article. Actually, oh my God, we got Roku too. Man, Disney is getting a little bit further away. Are you here for Disney, ladies and gentlemen? Are you here for Disney, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Are you here for Disney, Duke Nukem?
Hell yeah!
What about you, Shuey? But just wait, let's wait a little bit more. 2 more articles. Shuey, don't look at me like that. Don't look. No. We're going to take a look at it. Don't worry, my friend. We're going to do that. But I want to take a look over here at the next article. Insane day. Square second quarter 2020 earnings preview. Square is scheduled to announce second quarter earnings results on Wednesday, August 5th after market close. So we already knew this. The consensus EPS estimate is negative 0.05, and the consensus revenue estimate is 1.13 billion. Analysts expect GPV of 18.64 billion. Over the last 2 years, Square has beaten EPS estimates 88% of the time and has beaten revenue estimates 100% of the time. Square today closing at $136.83, guys. Whoa. And they said they're going to change their earnings to when? August 5th? Dude, that's tomorrow. Oh, man. So we're going to keep this obviously tomorrow. And guys, we're looking at 150. That's my target. And hey, I'm going to ride it right now. I have some positions that I'm still riding. Very excited about Square. What a trade, ladies and gentlemen. Continuing with the bullish momentum. Let me know if you have done a with Square as well, because we are feliz como una lombriz. Let's go ahead and look at the last article for the technology sector, because I do want to take a look at Disney, guys. Let's see over here what we got. Roku, 1.6% as Rosenblatt boosts target on ad dollar shift.
What?
Roku is up 1.6% pre-market. This came out at 9:28 a.m. after a price target hike at Rosenblatt, which is looking to the flow of ad dollars to connected TV from linear. The firm raised its target of $190 from $145, implying 17% upside. The pandemic has become the tipping point for a meaningful shift of those dollars out of traditional TV, the firm says. Meanwhile, sports buyers are actively pursuing programmatic alternatives versus their traditional reach. Roku is set to report earnings after the close tomorrow, guys. Keep that in mind. With consensus expectation for EPS of negative 0.56 on revenues of $311 million. Let's look at Roku. So they're looking for 190. And earnings tomorrow. Oh my goodness, dude. Definitely this can. I first will say 176 before 190. But 190 is basically creating a higher high, which I appreciate. I don't mind. I mean, riding Roku has been a blessing as well, guys. Let me tell you. Roku has blessed us with so many opportunities at 80s, 100, and 190. Getting there will be very, very lovely. But keep in mind, earnings tomorrow. So keep that in mind, guys, that this will happen. And now, let me go ahead and take a look at the chat room before we move forward. We got 17 people over here.
Boom shakalaka!
Go ahead and like this video, guys. Don't forget about doing that.
Hell yeah!
We gotta get those 20s. And let me check who else is here. So let's see. Luis Oyoa, Disney, LVS, Win, Intel, BA. We're gonna take a look at all of those. And JP Morgan. I'm so mad I sold Novavax. Patrick Ciaretta, welcome to the channel, my friend.
Boom shakalaka!
No fear of missing out, dude. There's so many opportunities in the market. You will feel good about that. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Let's see over here. Jason Park is here for Disney. Luis Oyoa is here for Disney. And Anthony Estrella. Love that name, my friend.
Boom
welcome to the
shakalaka!
channel. I bought 666 Sorrento. When should I sell my positions? Now everybody is buying the stock, afraid that it may be down by Friday or end of the week. I will say, Anthony, if you feel comfortable, close some positions from the initial investment. I'm not a financial advisor, but I just want to create a little bit of a peace in mind. Maybe close some positions from the initial investment and write it out. Put some stop losses, in profit. Keep that in mind. Maybe that will guide you a little bit more. Square after hours. Oh my God. What? We haven't moved. We haven't moved. Square after hours. Where is it? Where is it? Dude, let me see. 151. We reached the target, ladies and gentlemen. Holy mofongo. Finally, we did it. Mofongo, Shoryuken. No. This is a
Monster kill.
wow. Gennaro Di Carlo, where are you? We gotta celebrate this, my friend. Wow, 151.85. Very proud of this channel. Very proud of this group. This is what we do every day. So don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell.
Bruh.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Let me see. Boom chakalaka, Hadouken, my friend. There you go, Anthony. Love it, love it, love it. Novavax made my day today. In and out quick, 30% Harold PM. Welcome to the channel. You actually did what Edouard Murati did, which I'm very proud of him. He's doing very, very good. Kicking some booty and doing some
Fatality.
now. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the next one that we're gonna review? Maybe this will give you a hint. Maybe Chewy will give you a hint. Maybe Sully will give you a hint. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at Disney. Randy, are you ready?
Oh yeah!
Duke Nukem, are you ready now?
Hell yeah!
What about you, Chewy? Disney is coming up. Mario, are you ready?
It's me, Mario.
I know, Mario. You always tell me in every game, my friend. And here we go. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at Disney.